Hello, how are you? You will find expecting well to avoid both timeless shade and expecting shade as well as dry friendly designs. And sure you feel ready to head back to your favorite nail salon. Strict style that call for a personal touch. Keep scrolling for the look you will love to see packing out of the sleeves of your favorite organized weather. All products featured on Allure are independently selected by our elders. When you buy something uh, through our retail links, we may earn on affected commission. Shining star with orange uh, chocolate brown base acrylic star. This set is the perfect way to get nail ready to fall. Uh, all you need are some brown tones like those is always olive and a zone bumping space let the set and a good liner nail art brush or a recycle pen to a point of on the stars. Just be sure to use a top coat to seal it off. Say Los Angeles based manicurist hugs at Nail Hollywood. Mix and matches. We love a mix and matches nail look, and this one done in a black and a white is a great example of how different designs can go well together. This black and white with negative space give a more gender neutral look. Say Negion. Think art with a bit of a pop culture feel. Use the shade Xtone and mask and a paper snow from light liquid